Hi, this is Matt with Shading, Texas. I'm out in beautiful San Antonio today, and we're at a bit of a unique installation here, and I really want to point a few things out. So this is a patio that had an addition added on, so you can see this more dark redwood versus the original tan of the original house. We were able to put soffit mount brackets into the soffit on the rest of the patio, which you can see through this little groove here where it just goes up to the soffit. But over here where you've got these angled rafters, a lot of people wonder, how can we make our awning work here? So what we actually have is we've got a special addition to our brackets that allow us to go on these angled rafters and go on any kind of rafter and give you that same super secure hold, because we're able to bolt through the actual rafter itself and just really make a big strong awning. So I'm gonna go ahead and push my trusty button here. We're gonna run this awning out. You can see here it's a 3-arm system, 1, 2, and 3, and it's just going to provide a ton of shade on this patio. I mean, you can already see the shadow growing across here. It makes a huge difference for the patio, and you can just see the awning just rolls out here. This is all sunbrella fabric right here, which comes with a 10-year warranty, and we offer a 10-year warranty on our system itself, 5 years on the sampi motor, sampi being the smart home preferred motor for most exteriors. You can just see, look at the amount of shade this patio is going to get now. You can just see how much it just extends out and makes this a much more comfortable situation, because it's beneath the soffit. When the rain lands on the roof, it's going to hit the awning and go off, so they're not going to get just bombarded in here. My name is Matt. I'm with shadingtexas.com, where we provide yet another customer with sun out and life in. Thanks.